sivikela abantu bokufika ngoba abangekho emthethweni ngenxa yokuthi into eyenzakalayo la bonke laba bantu bacabanga ukuthi siyishares thina labayidlalayo asiyona ishares asona umlabalabe asona isigugu so into ebalekile njengamanje njoba sila sizogcina usikompilo lokuAfrika lelizwe ngelethu lelizwe nalama South African umfowethu uNdabandaba uke waphawula idaba olubalekile yokuthi ngisho umthetho osekelo walelizwe uyakwasekela ukuthi kube ngama South African mina ke ngandla kwethu ngifuna ukucacisa nje ngokungahlonisi yokuthi kunomongameli enimbiza ngoDayi. He may look crazy, he may look disturbing the whole world, but the purpose and the way he have managed to protect his own country and his own people, the President Donald Trump, for me, I support him because he have managed to speak one word that every president of America existed never spoken. Say America agree. For me, I say South Africa must be for South African and South Africa must be agree again. Bakwazi ukuthi izwe lethu liphathwe yithini. Enkushoyo ke njengomongameli wabhinqa hamba lompoto phakela umthakathi nabahola bakhona ngapha unomfowethu lapha uManqinza kunomfowethu la ufela emntwini nomfowethu uDlamini sonke simele into eyodwa yokuthi sicela imbongolo elangaphakathi yamaSomalia amaSomalia asenzele into esingasiyibona kulelizwe where the Somalians have crowned their own king here in Gauteng. I was present and the police officers were there to intimidate us and to say that we must delete the videos that esiwashuthe lapha and yonke leyo nto leyo ayikho emthethweni afuna ukuphatha amafoni ethu ngezandla amaphoyisa kodwa siyayibonga ingalo yomthetho ukuthi iyakwazi ukusihlonipha kuma circumstances since we have started marching yonke into peacefully yonke into neqiniso sithi ndoba sihleli kanje siphinde ithanga simangalela abaholi balelizwe kusukela emakhosini amadala sendulo kuze kuzoba namakhosi omzabalazo uyokuthi singabukeka njengezimanga njengeziphukuphuku kodwa ukuhlala kwethu kanje sizomangala sithi enough is enough njengamanje sicela ukuthi nani maphoyisa omthetho ngiyazi nisemsebenzini bafowethu kodwa nivumelana nathi ngenhliziyo basemsebenzini abantu abafemini ahlukahlukene bavumelana nathi ngenhliziyo thina sidele impilo yethu uyokuthi silwelele lizwe ipolitiki ihlulekile omalema nosopolitiki abaye bahlulekile lokho nohulumeni uqobo naye wahlulekile imngcelethi ivuliwe iyavuza ukuthi iSomalia imgodoyi weSomalia lusebenzise iembling yaseningizimu Afrika okuyi-coat of arms yethu okuyiyona ngubo yethu yokuthandazela abafelana lizwe phinde thandazela abantu abalimele lelizwe nabalimele njengamanje. We can never tolerate that nonsense using the South African logo to crown your own king is prohibited in our own country. And if I look at you for what you have done in Sandton, it's disappointing. It's highly disappointing. Nina masomale ngenibonga seniphumile sidla ngithi mina njengamanje njengoba sila kwi-embassy you are allowed to be here in this country legally and also being an ambassadors, but when what is important is a straightforward message that your people that you are being grouping together say that you are representing your Somalians in South Africa. They are doing crime in all the cities of this country. All corners of Amalogishi, they are there. all corners of our cities. They are there. They are sleeping in their shop. They are bakhwela iy'ngane zethu nodadewethu and poison food. Yonke into ihlangane ndawonye. I'm telling you straight right now. Can you please, before the 30th of June, can you all people Hambakaya? Nonke. You are trying to prove yourself. You intimidated us and say that nina nizokwenza nizohlangana niqhumise ngamabhomu usho nina enkulumeni nibhale phansi basitholekelile phela no usitholekelile nathi undabandaba la uyena omhla ka30 uzoyibona ufana nobani. We got a death threat around ourselves. We don't care. Christians have died in the dawn of democracy, but the liberation movement never allow us to continue to fight. We are not gonna tolerate the nonsense as the result of us our dead. But now we are here to tell you straight that we are sick and tired with the Somalians, with the Pakistanians, with Nigerians and all illegal immigrants in this country. You have crowned your king in 17. I was there, present. I saw you. And then after that, you intimidated us. After that, and then you use even the symbol of revolutionary country, rebel nation country called South Africa. And you put our coat of arms in your logo, in your association. Then you are threatening South Africa that you are going to lead to be the mayor of this country and to be the president of this country. Why don't you do all your skill and calling us lazy? Why all your skill you have to do and domesticate in your own country? It's rubbish. We are here to respect the rule of law. If it was not according to the rule of law, we should have entered here and said to Otaran Pants. As we are here, we want to make sure that you hear us. The memorandum is on our mouth. It's not on paper, because we have marched more than 10 times, more than 100 times, and producing memorandums. And what happens? Zero. And I would ask my brothers and sisters here to have a voice, because we are marching all over South Africa and we are not being heard. Our president is quiet. Only Panyaza is making sense to this country. Mind you, is in Gauteng, and action must be taken. And we don't want you. We hate you. We hate you now. You made us to hate you. We love our African brothers, but you made us to hate you. So can you now leave us in peace? Can you make sure, please? I appreciate if you can go. Njoba silapha sisuka eqaleni lapha High Court of Pretoria, sisuka lapho sisekhona la ukuzosho ukuthi nganza kwethu njoba sisuka lapha eqaleni siboshe idwedwe isikhwethela okufanele sisiphimise nje silahleke lapha sivikela abantu bokufika ngoba abangekho emthethweni ngenxa yokuthi into eyenzakalayo la bonke laba bantu bacabanga ukuthi siyishe sithile labayidlalayo. Asiyona ishesi, asiyona umlabalabe, asiyona isigugu. So into ebalulekile njengamanje njoba sila sizogcina usikompilo lobuAfrika. Lelizwe ngelethu lelizwe lalama South African. Umfowethu uNdabandaba uke waphawula idaba olubalekile lokuthi ngisho umthetho sisekelo walelizwe uyakwasekela ukuthi kube ngama South African. Mina ke ngathi kwethu ngifuna ukucacisa nje ngokungahlonisi yokuthi kunomongameli enimbiza ngohlala. He may look crazy, he may look disturbing the whole world, but the purpose and the way he have managed to protect his own country and his own people, the President Donald Trump. For me, I support him because he have managed to speak one word that every president of America existed never spoken. Say America agree. For me, I say South Africa must be for South African, and South Africa must be agree again. Bakwazi ukuthi izwe lethu liphathwe yithini. Enkushoyo ke njengomongameli wabhinqa hamba nempoto phaka lomthakathi nabahola bakhona ngapha kunomfowethu lapha uMancinza kunomfowethu la ufele emntwini nomfowethu uDlamini. Sonke simele into eyodwa yokuthi sicela imbongolo elangaphakathi yamaSomalia amaSomalia asenzele into esingasiyibona kulelizwe, where the Somalians have crowned their own king. Here in Gauteng, I was present, and the police officers were there to intimidate us and to say that we must delete the videos that esiwashuthela lapha. And yonke le nto leyo ayikho emthethweni, afuna ukuphatha amafoni ethu ngezandla amaphoyisa. Kodwa siyayibonga ingalo mthetho ukuthi iyakwazi ukusihlonipha kuma circumstances. Since we have started marching, yonke into peacefully, yonke into neqiniso, sithi ndoba sihlele kanje siphinde ithanga simangalela abaholi balelizwe kusukela emakhosini amadala sendulo kuze kuzoba namakhosi omzabalazo yokuthi singabukeka njengeinsimanga njengeyiphukuphuku, kodwa ukuhlala kwethu manje sizomangala sithi enough is enough. Njengamanje sicela ukuthi nani maphoyisa omthetho, ngiyazi nisemsebenzini bafowethu, kodwa nivumelana nathi ngenhliziyo. Basemsebenzini abantu abafemini ahlukahlukene bavumelana nathi ngenhliziyo. Thina sidele impilo yethu yokuthi silwele lelizwe. Ipolitiki ihlulekile, omalema nosopolitiki abaye bahlulekile. Lokho nohulumeni uqobo naye wahlulekile. Imngcelethi ivuliwe iyavuza ukuthi iSomalia, imgodoyi weSomalia usebenzise iembling yaseningizimu Afrika i-coat of arm yethu okuyiyona ngubo yethu yokuthandazela abafelana lelizwe, phinde thandazela abantu abalimele lelizwe nabalimele njengamanje. We can never tolerate that nonsense. Using the South African logo to crown your own king is prohibited in our own country. And if I look at you for what you have done in
You want what do you want from us then?
The answer. When are we going to get the answer?
As soon as possible.
Is it right that what you're doing, you put our coat of arm into your logo?
You use the national symbol.
In the national symbol.
Yeah, where are these people?
But you must respond to
where
that.
are these people who did that?
You must respond to that.
You don't know.
Is it the right thing to crown
right,
your king?
we are going to
crown your
find
king.
You see, that is the problem. That is where we have a problem. You see, because
my name. Please, can you respond on the major issue? You use the coat of arm of this country and you take them off. Respond. I can't say this. Can you please respond to that? No, respond.
No, asimtshele lo baba.
Respond.
Please. You see, we understand the language barrier, but please take these things serious. Trust me. Take these things serious. Take what we are doing serious. Take the complaints serious. All right, because we are helping this government. This government has been captured by people who are coming to this country, planning to take this country over. Your people are planning to take this country. And we cannot allow that. Some people who are staying in fancy houses, they can live with that because they get security and everything. We know what's going on in the sea. We know what your people do in the sea. They hijack ships. With full of guns and missiles and everything. The ships are missing in the harbor because these people, your people, are planning to take over this country. And we are saying as men, We would rather die than to see that. And if a man is prepared to die, he's more dangerous. He's more dangerous. We are more dangerous now that we have laid our lives. Do you understand right now what we are doing? We are putting our lives in danger. We are putting our children's lives in danger. We are putting our wives in danger. And we are ready. People must know we are ready. The government of South Africa that is allowing this nonsense and giving you halls and apartments to conduct these nonsenses. They must know
and you must
we are
come
ready.
out of the closet that you are paying Julius Malema so much, millions, so that he can protect you.
He will never protect you. Julius Malema will never protect any foreigner in this country. He's just a Mickey Mouse opening his mouth too much. He doesn't know. He has no idea what we are. I'm not talking for everyone. I'm talking about where I'm coming from. It's just a whistle away. We have the war. We got the war. We are warriors. We are men. We are soldiers. We are police of this country, and we are ready to defend
You can
it.
do everything, but you can't pay with that.
Amaphoyisa siyabonga bo baba. Sometimes when we talk, sometimes the police will feel offended. We understand that you are sent to protect, and we will always respect you. We will always respect you, but you are also men in your houses. Your kids, your nephew's kid, your nephew, your uncle, your uncle's kid, and everybody. They are also hobos like our kids there. So even during apartheid, police were playing a part syndicately to help the country come to where it's supposed to be.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Bekunemarch lapha eJohannesburg kunabophakela umthakathi nabongizwe Mchunu. Bafuna ukuvisisa kahle nenzaba yokuthi kubekwe ingozi yeSomalia laphana eJohannesburg ngeweekend. Njengoba sibona bagqwele. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.